Alright, what's going on? I went and picked up some wheels and some tires today. I didn't get that in the video, but I'll show y'all once we get outside. Ebony talking trash said I ain't vlog today, so I just whipped out the camera and she didn't even know. But this is what we doing today. We in Ross.
Don't try to get in shape.
Yeah, she finna be a young Mike Tyson.
Got this. Y'all smell this?
That bitch smell good.
And I get it from the nephews.
For Nip?
Nip?
Yep.
I gotta get this.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I told this man to vlog. He wasn't vlogging.
What you
So yeah, pull out the camera.
Yeah, and Ebony, this really, okay, so y'all know I work on stuff. And this is supposed to be Ebony, you know, her thing, you know, the daily vlogs with the freaking, what we doing? What are these adventures? The daily adventure vlog?
Just our life.
Yeah.
Our life. Follow us
And look who recorded me. So she need a whipping. Cause I done pulled out my camera to get some footage. But
you can edit. I can't edit right now.
Why you can't edit?
Cause I got iMovie.
I got iMovie too.
I know, but you got the iPad, bro.
I got iPhone. I did it on my iPhone before.
So I don't got no excuse.
Yeah, you ain't got now.
Alright.
Go ahead, drop that.
Y'all subscribe to my channel then.
Nah, don't subscribe to her.
I'm trying to look like this by 2023.
We trying to look like Jessica Hollyberry.
Jessica
Simpson. Jessica Berry Simpson.
Hey, and look, show me this. If y'all ever pull up with me and Kenny,
oh yeah,
they
know all the beer.
Capone. It's up in this stuff.
Who else come to Ross and get stuck looking at all the candies and treats they have? But hold up, what is that? A pepperoni? I was gonna say it got Oreo infused with the pretzel and the chocolate. Yeah, that look pretty good. Look, these things right here good too. I don't know, but they taste good. They biscuits, sandwich biscuits. Yeah, some sandwich biscuits. You can even get honey. They have all type of stuff for you up here. This the Dollar General brand. They got popcorn. But if you know where this stuff come from, let me know down in the comments, cause it come from somewhere. Somebody didn't want this stuff. Like all that water. When did the water expire?
That's a good question. Yep. November 2023.
2023. Okay.
That's crazy.
So okay, if y'all drink this water, y'all gonna live till 2023, basically. I'm gonna send this to Ebony so she can make a video. Yeah. Love you, long time. What's up? I finally made it home. I'm in Albany now, not Columbus. But I went a little ham today for Suzi and got Suzi a bunch of stuff. So I'm planning on dropping some videos in the next couple weeks. They're gonna be all about Suzi. But I went kind of ham today and got some stuff for her. Got these wheels off Marketplace for, it's 4 of them, not just 3. But I got these wheels off Marketplace. And I traded a guy some stuff for these rims. These are, if you don't know, these are ZR2 rims from a ZR2 S10. So I got some ZR2 S10 wheels, and I got some 30s. Yo, big 30s, big. Let me stop. I got some big 30s. No, Suzi. I like these wheels, yes, but this is gonna be my work truck once I start driving it again, and I'm gonna need some good tires so that I can pretty much make it where I need to go without worrying about hitting curves and all that type of stuff. because I love hopping curves. But got a bunch of parts in for Suzi. Not really. Just a bunch of cool stuff. Some wheels, tires. And I got this box, this toolbox. Because I need to be able to lock my stuff up once I start driving this truck. Because everything, I keep my tools in the back of that truck a lot. And it's not easily accessible like a bed of a truck. Somebody can just reach and grab Suzi's name tag off the back and take her. But I'm gonna try to do good, and I've been holding off on doing this truck for a while because I wanted to take my time, but it's coming to the time for me to start working on it, so I had to make some trips. I got clips of me working on this truck in the past, but as you can see, it does not have the original ISUZU front end on it anymore. This is a Sonoma front end that I got for 115 bucks. Got the fenders, core support, 2 grills, 2 sets of headlights, a bumper, all of that stuff. And as you can see, it fits right on here. Probably got to do a little bit more aligning right there, but that fit pretty good, don't it? Don't you think? I think so. But once I get all of that situated, as far as the wiring, because I need to redo the wiring for the headlights and everything that runs to the front. And once I get that situated, all I need to do is put oil in the engine, power steering fluid, and gas, yeah, she needs some gas, and she good to go. I might ride these for a little bit, paint them black though, definitely paint them black. But I'm gonna ride it for a little bit, then I'm gonna go to these. I might go swap from these time and time, just because these wheels have like great tires on them, and I don't know if I want to sell them yet. But I had them up on the marketplace. Nobody wanted to buy them, so I just took them down and put them on my truck. And then once I put them on my truck, everyone asks about them, like, and wants to buy them. Make it make sense, because I can't. But I'm sorry for the mess right here. I'm cleaning off Suzi, cleaning up around here, so got a bunch of stuff just laying around. But y'all stay tuned for when I finish this here. ISUZU Hombre / GMC Sonoma front. Gonna be real cool little truck. I'm just trying to save gas. Gas prices going up. I can't be driving Mandy all the time no more. It really hurts. It really hurts me. It really hurts to drive Mandy all the time. So I'm about to swap it up. Hop in Suzi, save some gas, save some stress, and yeah, that's it. But I don't know. This is like an update on Suzi, so I might just put this in the video by itself. And once I start back working on it, then the videos of me working on it previously will be in the new footage. But that's it, guys. Yeah. Oh, hopefully in the next clip y'all gonna see something fire, or the next clip, or either the next video, y'all gonna see Suzi looking like a full vehicle. She might be driving, or she will be. She gonna drive, because everybody talk about me and my projects, but y'all don't see what I do. I do what I can. So I do a little bit at a time. So just because it's a little bit at a time don't mean I ain't doing that. I'm doing stuff. This thing broke, gotta fix it, along with doing more upgrades that I was supposed to do anyway. But the chain broke off of it, so I'm gonna be fine with the mini bike. Anyway, peace out, guys. Yeah. just showing the camera. Y'all see my welds? Hey, this is my first time ever welding today.
That shit just hit me, man.
It's like I'm good and I suck at the same time.
What you good?
They suck, but hey, I think I did pretty good for my first time. That side right there. Real good. Or decent.
Yep. Here it is. Tell me. Reaching.
Alright, so I got the slowest bike, but we finna see which one quickest from a dig, and we finna do a little race. So. I really don't need a bike. Like we'll get one more for me. Can you get one more? We're gonna do one more from the dig straight up. See, straight up. We're gonna do one more from the dig straight up and see if my bike's still kind of quicker off the line. What's up? You on the swap? Nah. Oh shit. And this, I don't know who this is. This guy just pulled up, so we finna see what's going on. What's good?